My name is the Reverend David Koehler. I am the pastor of Faith United Presbyterian Church in Sioux City, Iowa. I suffered several knee injuries. I rehabbed these injuries all on my own. They just got worse and worse as I got older and older. I had total knee replacement on both of my knees. It was comforting to me to have the quantum health person, Heather, take an interest in things and contact me on her own. I didn't have to contact her. And she kept in contact with me after both of the surgeries just to make sure that everything was going well. I feel very good with the care that I received from them, as well as the care that I received from the surgeon and the nurses and the medical people as well. In my heart and mind, they have become people that I look highly upon and would depend on if I had to do something like this again. I am very comforted in knowing that we have a process in place that makes this a very manageable situation. The last 2 years, I heard from so many of the members of the congregation every Sunday. They would just come up to me and say to me, we are so sorry to see you have to walk the way you walk. They were greatly relieved when some of this was done because I'm actually walking upright. I look down at my legs now and I see two straight legs, and there is something about that in my own brain that clicks in and says, you're a whole person again. The Board of Pensions really made this a very human thing. I was not a number on a page. I was not a statistic. I was a person that they took great interest in making sure that these kinds of outcomes were going to be possible.